Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our podcast. In today's episode, we have two very special guests.
Now we're going to show you with a metal piece. If we put it, the density is more than the water, so it goes under. And also a metallic coin, that's density is more than the water, it sinks. But if we take like a wooden piece, we put it and it floats, since the density of the wooden piece is less than the water. The opposite thing with metal, if we put it, it just falls down since its density is more than the water.
Can you give us an example or a reason why this happened?
So the conclusion is that materials which have higher density than the water sink in it, such as iron, nail, and metallic coin. As you can see here, and iron nails and metallic coins are shown here. And also, materials which have lower density than the water float in it, such as wood, cork, and ice, and drops of oil. Here we can see the drops of oil floating on the surface, and also the wood and the cork. We can also see the ice, since it has less density than the water.
And now we will take questions from lesson 1.
Number 1. The color property is a distinguishing factor between. There's 4 answers, being A, table salt and flour, B, iron and gold, C, oxygen and nitrogen, D, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Let's pick a student from our class and let them answer this question. Applause your classmate.
The test of the property is a distinct factor between. For answer A is milk and honey, B, wood and plastic, C, silver and gold, D, oxygen and nitrogen. Who will want to answer?
The taste property is a milk and honey.
3. The smell property is a distinguishing factor between vinegar and perfume.
And now with the question 4, the density of the substance is a physical property.
And the last question is 5, and is the density of matter is mass divided by volume.